Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, unlatch the side cover and lift it off the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the assembly from the system. Identify the hard drive. Unlatch the drive to remove it from the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it to the assembly. Place the assembly back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the side cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.